We was passing grams like Mountain Johnson, used to get it off on the road. Like AI, I can move the rock, I ain't got the answers for you though. I caught the A train downtown, baby girl said she want more smoke. Then I go back up north, uptown, baby said she...
What's up guys? Today we're doing something a bit different. We got invited to take part in shooting a music video, so we're cruising through the city on the quad to get there. It's supposed to be reggae mixed with hip-hop, so we'll see what kind of vibe it turns out to be. What is Marco doing over there? Did he spin around and end up facing the opposite direction? That's crazy. The quad is ready, washed like dog balls, cameras on, batteries full, so I hope we get something good on film today. We've got December weather, so it's not really ideal for riding. The roads are wet and slippery, but at least we'll have some fun. My hands are freezing like crazy. I can't even feel my fingers. It's unbelievable how the quad goes into a skid with just a slight throttle. I feel like the rear wheels are trying to overtake the front ones. Hey, dunno who you are, but looks like you're into loud quads, hahaha. Hell yeah, go for it and burn those tires good. We're almost there. We'll do a quick intro with the artists, then warm up and hit some drifting. I won't bother you there, and we'll have some music going too.
Hey, hey, hey. I've been a seven-figure nigga, honestly, I can never trust no.
Is this even possible? Can I just fall to the ground like that? This is the first time it's ever happened to me.
We was passing grams like Mountain Johnson, used to get it off on the road. Like AI, I can move the rock, I ain't got the answers for you though. I caught the A train downtown, baby girl said she want more smoke. Then I go back up north, uptown, baby said she want the poke. I'm in Amsterdam, I ain't paying for it, I ain't even thinking about a hoe. I'm like James Harden, got a couple clippers that will go and get it off the boat. Got 9 switches right now, triple double, baby whipping up a O. Strap nigga bought a AP. I'm dunking on them like I'm KD. Mad riches, is you crazy? I ball like MJ in the 80s. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. Bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. I been about my money, now I know hope. I can tax it high, I'll get it to you for the low. But a new Ferrari, I ain't never going back, bro. Gotta stay down even when the motion looking slow. My wrist lit, GIA diamond so cold. My bitch lit, she fine as hell, so cold. Still jet lag, made 7 figures on the road. This bag chasing, that's one thing that I know. Get money, yeah. Strap nigga bought a AP. I'm dunking on them like I'm KD. Mad riches, is you crazy? I ball like MJ in the 80s. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. Bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat. A bag chase, a bag chase, a bag chase, a goat.
baby and shit. Like, yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. I got the feeling we taking it all the way. I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Been on the ground with a small delay. That's what it takes when you on your job. I'm working till everything fall in place. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, oh, yeah, beanie up Scotty, we going up crazy, yeah, me and my posse. When it's time to get it, we body to body, cause bodies get left when we leave the party. Don't get me started, don't make me get out of character. That make you turn to a target, dearly departed. Making a scene like Martin, we up in the scores and the margins. Hey, ain't hungry, I'm starving. I gotta eat what I hunt, it's a bargain. The bigger they are, the broader the market. Cause I gotta feed like an army of Spartans. They plotting, they lurking, the blade getting sharpened. They hounds and they barking, they wait for the moment to take what was hidden and add to the garden. We just getting started. Yeah, I got the feeling we taking it all the way. I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Been on the ground with a small delay. That's what it takes when you on your job. I'm working till everything fall in place. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, oh, yeah. I got the feeling we taking it all the way. I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Been on the ground with a small delay. That's what it takes when you on your job. I'm working till everything fall in place. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, yeah, I got the feeling we taking it all the way. I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Work until everything fall in place. Like, nah, we not gonna fall today. Like, nah, we not gonna fall.
Dude, today was a really interesting experience. First time shooting a music video on the quad. We met a few new people, and I got a reality check right away. We got to the spot, and the first thing I did, I flew off the quad onto the ground, and everyone immediately laughed at me. They probably thought, who even is this guy? But whatever, you learn from your mistakes, right? To my defense, it was after a night shift, and I'd only slept about an hour and 15 minutes, so I wasn't really focused, and I messed up my weight transfer. Next time will be better. I'll be more careful. What happened here? Hope no one got hurt or anything serious. This song is absolutely insane. Is this a coincidence? That's a complete madman. He almost crashed. Haha. Let's talk a bit about how we're doing or not doing on YouTube. Let's sum it up a bit. For such a small channel with around 200 subscribers right now, getting between 500 and 1,500 views isn't bad at all, honestly. It's moving slowly, but it's moving forward. Every video gets a little better, and that's what matters. I'm really curious whether one of our videos will blow up to at least around 10,000 views so things can really start picking up with subscribers. Either way, we keep going, we keep grinding, and we'll see what happens. I'm still figuring things out in editing too, and I feel like every video is a little different from the last one. I'm experimenting, improvising. Sometimes it's just writing with music, then more talking, then a mix of front and rear shots, different cuts and transitions. Drop a comment and tell me which quadlog you've liked the most so far, what I should stick with, and which direction I should take this. I'm super curious whether we can build a solid community of motorcycle, quad, and even car enthusiasts here. It's going to be about riding, having fun, and people who love this stuff just like we do. You'll see where it all goes. And most of all, I want to connect people from every nationality, country, and continent, literally everyone. Take care, see you on the next ride, and remember, quads are awesome, but safety always comes first, and of course don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe.